I'm gonna show you how to use Microsoft Office Mail Merge. Uh, just how you use Microsoft Office Mail Merge to create name tags. So for that, you go to Mailings, click on Start Mail Merge, step-by-step merge wizard. Click on Labels. Next, starting document. Uh, can you see my screen properly?
Yes, I can.
Okay. In the label options, you choose North American size and the horizontal card. Note it for yourself. It is North American size. So the label vendor is Microsoft. So you will choose Microsoft, and in Microsoft you will choose North American size. Type is the horizontal card. The check is to make sure that the height is for 5.08 centimeter and width is 8.89 centimeter. That's the ideal size for a label. And you click on OK. The next thing is to select recipients. So you select recipient from an Excel file. Now I have
Yeah.
downloaded this Excel file from Craig's email, NSO Digital Innovation Workshop List version 2. So I click on browse and I go to the folder where I have saved this file. So it's not in document download, so it's in document. Uh, NSO, can't find it over here. So I'll go back and check where are all my downloads saved. Show in folder, and it's in documents. So I go back to documents again and click NSO digital. So digital, can't find it. And so here we go. This is the list. I select this list. I would ask you about there are different tables in here. It asks you which table do you want to go for. So I'll go back again to this list and check which table is Craig referring to. So Craig is referring to NSO Digital Workshop 2015, right?
Right.
Uh, and he wants it for people in Melbourne only. So actually, up to this Alex and Dennis. So it's 2000 NSO Digital Workshop 2015. I select it. Then asks what do we import all of them? So I click on filter
No.
and I select a field Melbourne Sydney equal to mm, Melbourne. And now when I look here, I'll only see people who are going to the Melbourne event, right?
Right.
Now there's an exception over here because there's one person who's going to Melbourne and Sydney both. So we'll take care of that later. But now we can see that these are different records that are arranged. Next thing is to arrange your labels. And when you arrange your labels, what you do is you add items. So the thing that we need in the labels is the name and the name of their organization. So I added name and I added the NSO. That's what I need.
Okay.
I choose this field, and I want it to be in center. The next thing I need is to resize it, make it a bit bold, and then click on update all labels. So as soon as I click on update all labels are arranged in the same way. Next thing is to preview your labels, and when you go on preview your labels, this is the way your labels look like. Now you can go back and arrange your labels again, resize it. For example, I don't want the NSO to be bolded, which is fine. Maybe I want to increase the font a bit more. So I'll increase it to 18. I don't need to do it with every label. I can just click on update all labels and it would be updated. Sorry. Ah, I have to update this one. You always have to update the first one.
Okay.
Uh, and click on update all labels and all labels are updated. Next, preview your labels. Now you can see all your labels arranged properly in the file.
Right.
Next thing is complete the merge. And when complete the merge, it gives you two options, print and edit individual labels. So click on edit individual labels, merge records all, and it will show you all uh, the labels in here. Now, if you go back and check your files, so this is Tim Hurst was the last one. Alex Tendon is not included because it did not fit in the
Yes, good.
criteria. But what I can
Right.
always do is I can copy this, paste this, uh, sorry, add his name here, Alex Dennis, and add his organization as Australia. So after all the labels, I can just click on print and print all those labels and they will be printed.
Okay.
Yep. So
Yeah.
that's how you create a mail file.
All right.